this project, I'm going to be repairing, servicing, and reinstalling an electric fuel pump that I installed on my 65 Scout quite a few years ago, maybe 6, 7, 8 years ago, when I had to rebuild my manual generator. I basically put this in as a backup just in case, but I ended up going with it, and I've been pleasantly surprised with it ever since. So basically the original is my backup if anything should happen while I'm on the road, and I'm using this. The reason I had to take this out is because both the filters, I felt after this period of time and sitting for long periods of time like the vehicle does, need replacing. They look pretty dirty. So I went ahead, replaced this filter with this particular filter as well as this filter. Now also what I have the bracket. This is the pump filter itself. Here's the filter that filters the fuel that comes from the gas tank, and this filters it again as it goes to the carburetor, just as a backup. And as you can see though, even as a backup, it's still pretty dirty. This is the bracket. This is the bracket that holds the pump to the frame, and I'll show you once I get under the car where I've installed this. And these are all obviously the clips that are going to hold the various hose lengths in place. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you as I install the electric pump completely, so basically I assembled it on my workbench as I showed you a little earlier, brought it to the truck. On the frame, I'm able to slide it over this support bar. Everything's a little close. And there's the fuel line to the carburetor, the new filter I put on. There's the fuel line, or the line that goes from the filter to the pump. And from the pump in the back, we have another inline filter that are placed, and then this goes to the fuel line that goes to the petcock assembly, and that's it basically. What I'll go ahead and do for the final shot is I'll show you where my hot wire goes from the electric fuel pump, and give you an idea where I hooked it up to the inside the engine compartment. Don't know if you can see it, but down between the carburetor and the firewall, you can see the fuel line as it comes up from the pump area where it feeds into my carburetor. And along the same line, you can see the hot wire, or the main lead from the fuel pump, which is this red wire I have attached to the firewall. It runs along the firewall behind the engine, comes down, and you can't see it, let me get a light over here. And the red wire is attached right there, and that's my power source to the electric fuel pump. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, criticism, or would like me to provide any additional information, please let me know. Thank you.